Hello again to another virtual open house presented to you today again by qualityhomescostacalida.com. My name is Rupert, I'm the broker of the company, and I'm really proud to present you today another 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, and I'm just showing you the live views on Garden 5, actually on Condado de Alhama. It's 5 o'clock and 3 minutes. We have 31 degrees still. It's a little bit windy today, but that's really pleasant to say. And we are just seeing here the community gardens and the community pool of Garden 5 or Jardin 5 here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. You are watching today a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I'm showing you today this first floor apartment, which we have dressed for you as it would be you coming into the property today. What we see here are the community gardens of Garden 5 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort on a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I will just walk into the property now and show you, oops, there is the listing agent running around, and I'm showing you the inside now of this great 2-bed, 1-bathroom property. On our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you'll find this property under the reference 3573. And I'm just doing a roundup here so you can see the size of the living room. The apartment is sold, fully fitted and kitted as we see, with all decoration, all items, television, air conditioning, and all other things we will see on our virtual open house today. So, adjacent to the living area, we do have the kitchen. And as you can see, hi Daryl, yes, we are fine. Hope to see you next time a little bit longer. Okay, back to the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is fully fitted with a large fridge freezer, a dishwasher, cooker, oven, extractor fan, and obviously as well a washing machine. Microwave, kettle, and all that as well comes with the property. And what we don't see here is, some of you know it already, we don't see the water filter. So I will not stress again that all properties sold through Quality Homes Costa Calida are getting a free drink water filter. Saves money, plastic bottles and everything. Well, no, I've said it anyway. Okay, so this will be obviously as well equipped with a water filter. Apart from that, the reference is 3573 and the property is sold as seen at an asking price of 69,900. In my opinion, pretty okay value for money when we see we are in Garden 5 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And as you just can see, the views are breathtaking today. The sky is now getting a little bit cloudy. We had a fantastic morning, but now it's getting a little bit cloudy and there is some wind around, but it's still over 30 degrees. So yes, it's still pleasant here in Spain, I have to say. Most of the holiday makers have gone now and we are back to normal. We are welcoming many owners at the moment who are arriving at the resort. So it's quite an interesting period. Okay, just walk into the master bedroom. That's a good idea, Leslie. Welcome back. So here we are. This is the master bedroom, as you can see, fitted with a double bed, bedside tables, as well as fitted wardrobes, and most important, air conditioning. We have one air conditioning in the living room and one air conditioning in the master bedroom. As we said, the property is sold as seen, even with the small television we can see here. And I will show you now the views from the bedroom. Here we go. Just open the window here. What we have here is the so-called Condado Club. Here you have paddle courts and tennis courts, you have a small sports bar here, so that's quite a nice meeting point as well for owners to meet here during the day or during the evening. On the back as well we see here the car parks, which are all individually marked. So each property here on Garden 5 as well gets his marked car park. So the one for this one would be, I would say, the black car, which is the third over there. That's more or less the car park area which belongs to this property. So each property gets his own car park here. Just let me close the window here again. There we go. Double glazed, by the way. And we have just seen the master bedroom of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. Reference 3573, presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. So here we go again. This is now the bathroom, As you can see, the bathroom has been reformed and it's now a walk-in shower instead of the bathtub. Thanks, Craig, for mentioning also the good breakfast, no doubt about. And I'm happy that we are able to show you a little bit of a Condado glimpse every week so you can see what's going on here. So this was the bathroom. I'm getting mixed up today between bedroom and bathroom. Huh? So second bedroom, which is as well with 2 single beds, equipped bedside table, and we have as well here the fitted wardrobes. You might think, why is Rupert that high up with his camera? Well, below here we have our listing agent. So I always try to keep her a little bit out of the picture because many people think all what they see is included. So we should be careful with that. Happy days, which is, by the way, as well the motto of our company. Well, coming back to the living room, I will show you again just the size of this living room. Which fits perfectly a double-seater sofa, if not a triple, I would say. We have 2 single-seaters here, as well as a television, obviously, most necessary. So, and the kitchen, as we can see, fully fitted, fully equipped. As you know, the water filter will be installed by Quality Homes Costa Calida once you purchase this or any other property on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. So you might say, well, that's a nice apartment, but it's a little bit small in space, no? Because there is hardly any terrace out here. This is exactly right. Hence, these apartments all enjoy a private staircase leading up to the rooftop. So we call it solarium, you can call it the sun terrace, you can call it whatever you want, but actually it's the roof set terrace, which is of the same size as the apartment. And as you can see, there is a great dining opportunity up here, as well equipped with an awning here to cover against sun. And the views, as we said, are even more breathtaking than downstairs, no? Wow. So that's how it looks like on a normal day, which is not a high season holiday day. So there are still people around, but it's not packed at all. It's peace and quiet at the pool, as well as in the gardens. Maybe one detail, just to mention this as well, I will make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. There we go. This is our new CCTV system. Condado de Alhama is investing every year in making the resort even better. And this time we have invested in CCTV cameras all over the resort, which means that there is no public area actually which is not covered by the CCTV system. They are not going into the dwellings, so there is that's technically not possible to see into the dwellings or onto private terraces, but it provides quite a high level of security and as well as traceability. Now, because later on it's very easy to say what happened at any given moment in public areas. So I think that's quite a good asset. Not as there would be a lot of crime down here, but you never know. Okay, this is now the massive roof terrace, as you can see. So there's space for a big lounge area, as well as we can see for dining over here. There could be a barbecue up here. Well, there are many, many things which you can do up here because it's really massive. And just to show you on the other side now the Condado Club installations. Obviously we are out of season, so there's not a lot of activity over here. This would be the paddle courts. This is the Condado Club itself. And over there, we then have the tennis courts. Okay, having seen that, this is the big air conditioning unit. As we have seen downstairs, we have 2 air cons, one in the living room and one in the master bedroom. So, quite a big terrace and a beautiful garden, and we are just walking down again. So this is your private staircase, which only belongs to this property, which leads up to your solarium. And we are now walking down again. And then now on the main level, we are on the first floor here with this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. It's reference 3573 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. This would be the view as of, well, all day long. Orientation-wise, we are talking southwest. So south would be somewhere in this direction, and west is just over there. That's where the sun goes down. So this apartment enjoys as of early midday until the sun goes down. think it can get hardly better orientation-wise. So that's also ideal for winter stays, because obviously the sun is a very important factor also to heat the apartment up. And in winter, you will hardly need any heating, because due to the sun, this is nearly heating up itself. So that's quite a positive thing. Furnishing is sold as seen. Well, we think it's quite nicely furnished, maybe not the top notch, but pretty okay for also the asking price of only 69,900, and I think it's a good start to go from. As we said, kitchen fully fitted with dishwasher, washing machine, cooker, oven, extractor fan, microwave, kettle. No water filter, we know that, but yes, you know already that we put in the water filter. Wow, so many people commenting today. In case you have any question or doubt or want me to see a special item again, just tell me, and either me or my team will make sure that your questions are answered and that you see what you want to see during our virtual open house, presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Both bedrooms are fitted with fitted wardrobes. I think I need to find another wording for that. I shouldn't open them because obviously we had to clear the property to say, and there might be some items in there which might just fall out when we open the door, but we will sort this out before you take the property over. Asking price is only 69,900. And it's reference 3573 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are in the second bedroom now. The second bedroom has no air conditioning, but normally with the 2 units working, I'm not sure if it's really necessary to have a third unit, apart from the obviously consumption of electricity as well. I think it's not really a necessary investment, because one of these units normally cater for around 35 to 40 square meters. So we have 2 units on here. The property has about 57 square meters. So with 2 units, we are more than okay, I would say. More than okay, yeah, no doubt about it. Okay, we are still in the living room of reference 3573. We are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort today in Garden 5 or Jardin 5 in the property J506. And I'm just showing you again the views, because as you know me, I'm always, I can't get enough of the views here, and again here today, it is just breathtaking. I'm on site now over 12 years, and I have to say I still can't get enough. It's just fantastic. The gardens are kept, it's amazing. The pools are in really good condition. The community is doing a really great job together with their contractors to make sure that the resort is always looking in pristine condition, and that's exactly what it is. Okay, enough of praising Condado de Alhama. I think you all know that I can go on for many hours to praise Condado de Alhama. So when you have any question regarding the resort, just drop me a line at info@qualityhomescostacalida.com or give us a bell at 0034 868 619 319. Otherwise, I may thank you very much for your attention today. It was a pleasure again to show you another virtual open house, this time Garden 5 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And I'm looking forward to see you again next week for another property and another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Take care, stay safe, God bless, bye.